noodles.
Let's cook some noodles. Use the spoon to prepare the noodle dough. Use the noodle maker. The noodles are ready.
Ramen noodles are thin, chewy, and smooth. Add oil. Minced onions, minced ginger, minced garlic. Fry the ingredients. Add chicken stock.
What do you want to eat? Chili, cucumber, dried tofu, fried egg. If the noodles are done, let your customers try them.
Noodles! Noodles originated in China with a history of thousands of years. There are various ways to make noodles with unique flavors across different regions. Cut some pork for the filling of steamed buns. Wrap the delicious meat filling in the buns. It's ready! First, place the eggs in the pot. The eggs are ready. Let's scoop them out. Crack the shells so the eggs will soak up the flavor of the sauce. Next, let's make the pepper. It's all right. Let's try again. Ginger. Oh no! Let's make another pot of water. Star anise. Bay leaves. Ginger. Cinnamon. Pepper. Salt. Tea leaves. Rock sugar. Soy sauce. Wow! The sauce smells wonderful. Let's start boiling the tea eggs. Stir the eggs around so they soak up all the flavor. Wow! The tea eggs are ready and they smell delicious. Roast duck. Let's make roast duck. Brush the sugar water evenly onto the roast duck. Add some wood to build the fire up some more. Let's start to roast. The roast duck is so hot. Let's cool it down with a fan first. The skin of Peking duck tastes great. Use a knife to slice the skin off. Let's make a pancake of the roast duck. First, spread on the sweet soybean paste. Pick the side dish you like. Cucumber. What else would you like? Lettuce, lettuce. Carrot, carrot. Roll up the pancake. scallion, purple radish, lettuce, cucumber. What else would you? Carrot, lettuce, carrot, scallion, purple radish. The roast duck roll looks so yummy. Serve them to the customers. Roast duck. Roast duck was a royal cuisine in ancient China. It has always been a famous dish in Beijing and also enjoys worldwide fame. Hot pot. Let's prepare the hot pot. Lotus root, quail, enoki, beef, enoki, shrimp. Be sure to remove quail egg. Shiitake, hot pot meatball. Shiitake, lotus root, cut scallion, sliced ginger, mashed garlic, mashed chili, let's start the stir-fry oil, spice, scallion, ginger, and garlic. Chili, rock sugar, what kind of hot pot would you like? Double flavor hot pot. Double flavor pot could bear 2 different base. Then pour spicy soup base into the other side. It's time for hot pot. The hot pot is ready. Let's try it out. pot. Hot pot is an original Chinese cuisine with a long history. People gather together and eat while they cook. They can not only enjoy the delicious food, but also get close to each other. Tanghulu.
Grape, hawthorn, hawthorn. Kiwi, pineapple, pineapple. Sunflower seeds. Sprinkles. Wow, it looks delicious.
Tanghulu. Tanghulu is a traditional Chinese snack. It can also be made of other fruits besides haws. Its sweet and sour taste can really increase your appetite. Tofu.
Let's soak the beans to make the tofu. Grind the beans into a paste. Let's cover it now.
Which kind of tofu would you like to make? Mapo tofu. Pour tofu into the pan and cover it with broth. Mapo tofu is ready. Wow, the mapo tofu must be delicious. Let's try it out. Tofu. As the most common soy product, tofu is common food in China that is rich in nutrients and can be cooked in many ways.